Let's do an inequality problem. Here's one type that you'll run into. It says -1 is less than 4x plus 7 is less than or equal to 11. Okay, this is a sneaky problem. And it's sneaky because you have two inequality signs. So this is really two problems hiding as one. So I'm going to start with the first one. And for the first problem, I am just looking to do this. I'm going to say -1 is less than 4x plus 7. So just looking to grab that part of the problem. I'm going to peel back the layers. So right now I've got x being multiplied by 4, then I'm adding 7. I'm going to treat this effectively like an equal sign. So the first layer I have to take away is this 7. -1 minus 7, that's -8. I've got a 4x. Now I just have to get rid of that 4. It's multiplying x, so I'm going to divide by 4. But if I do it to the right side, I have to do it to the left side. And I'm left with -2 is less than x. That's the left side of this equation done. So then I'm going to do the right side. The right side is right here. I'm going to start with the 4x plus 7 is less than or equal to 11. So 4x plus 7 is less than or equal to 11. And actually my math steps are going to be the same, right? I've got this plus 7, so I'm going to get rid of that first. So now I'm left with 4x on the left is less than or equal to 11 minus 7, that's 4. And now I'm going to divide by 4 to get rid of that. So divide by 4, divide by 4, and I'm left with x is less than or equal to 1. What I had before with these two inequalities, this is an AND type of problem, right? I had two conditions that I had to meet. 4x plus 7 had to be greater than -1, and it had to be less than or equal to 11, so I had to be between two things. So now I've got that x has to be greater than -2, and it's got to be less than or equal to 1. So if I draw my number line, I'm going to have -2, I'm going to have +1, x has to be bigger than -2, so does not include -2, and it's got to be smaller than or equal to 1, so it does include 1. And it's all the numbers in between here. That would be my answer.